Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video we will learn how to add references in MS Word document by using endnote. So first of all you have to open endnote by simply tap on endnote software. When you tap on this, next you what you have to do is tap on file and create new endnote library in which you will add your new references. First of all, what you have to do is select the folder where you want to save this library and give its name. I gave it name my endnote library 1 and I simply save it. Okay, next when I create my endnote library, next what I have to do is I have to open this endnote library. So simply I tap on file and then tap on open library and select the endnote library where I saved it. I saved in documents. I simply tap on it and endnote library is open. Next what I have to do is open Google Scholar. For example, I am working on diabetes, so I open the paper diabetes. For example, I am copying the text from this paper. I copied these first two lines from this paper and paste it in MS Word. So next what I have to do is I have also copy my text reference. So what I have to do is move toward this paper and tap on back button. Next what I have to do is tap on site, and when I tap on site then a list will be appear. From this list, tap on EndNote. When tap on EndNote, then EndNote reference will be downloaded. When EndNote reference is downloaded, then simply two times tap on that reference. This reference will be opened in EndNote library. When we tap on it, then it will be opened in EndNote. Simply what you have to do is tap on this reference and copy it by right clicking. Now move toward MS Word, and in MS Word tap on EndNote. When you tap on EndNote, next you have to tap on Insert Citation. From Insert Citation, tap on Insert Selected. When you tap on it, then reference will be copied in MS Word. So this was simple about how to add reference in MS Word by using EndNote library, EndNote software. If you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon